Follow these steps to fix directions not available on iPhone maps. Let's get in. First, launch your Settings app, navigate to the option General, click on the option iPhone Storage. From the list of the apps, find Maps or the Apple Maps. Once you find it, open it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Then you can close this. Launch your Settings app again. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Head over to the option Location Services. Enable for the option Location Services. Then click on the option Share My Location. Click on the option Find My iPhone. Enable for all these options. Then you can head back. Once you're on this page, head over to the Google Maps or the Apple Maps. Then set it to while using the app. After you do that, you can head back. Now go to the main page of Settings. Click on General. Scroll down. Head over to the option Date and Time. Enable for the option Set Automatically. Then click on the option Language and Region. Click on Region. Make sure you have selected the region that you are currently in. Once you check all these settings, your problem might be resolved. If still the issue persists, what you can do is go to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, click on Reset Network Settings and go through the process. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. Your direction not available on iPhone Maps issue will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.